Hello everyone. Welcome to the session 1 of module 2 of storage area network security. The storage area network security module 2 is storage networking technologies and virtualization. Business needs technology and challenges. Just-in-time information to business issues, integration of information infrastructure with business process, flexible and resilient storage architecture. DAS is inefficient to meet these challenges. Storage networking emerged as a solution. FC-SAN, NAS, and IP scan. What is a SAN? It is a highly dedicated high-speed network of servers and shared storage devices, provide block-level data access, resource consideration, centralized storage and management, scalable, theoretical limit approximation up to 15 million devices, whereas providing the secured access. The architecture shows different servers, FC-SAN with storage arrays. Understanding fiber channel. Fiber channel is a high-speed network technology that uses optical fiber cable for front-end connectivity, whereas serial copper cable for back-end connectivity. Latest fiber channel implementation puts up to 8 GBs. So this is the architecture of the fiber channel. The FC scan evaluation is like this. The FC hub, FC switch connected with the 3 servers, connected with 4 servers, connected with the single server through the fiber channel SAN. Components of SAN node ports, example nodes, host storage and tape library, port available in the front-end adapter storage, port available in each transmitter TX, HPS per low-level interface function automatically to minimize the impact of the host performance. The SAN carries data between servers and storage devices through fiber channel network as shown in the earlier figure. A SAN enables storage consolidation and enables storage to be shared across multiple servers. This improves the utilization of storage network compared to different attached storage architectures and reduces the total amount of storage an organization needs to purchase and manage. With consideration of SAN, becomes a centralized and less complex with further reduce the cost of managing information. The components of SAN are like this. SAN implementation uses copper cable for shorter distance, optical fiber channel for longer distance. Two types of optical cables are available. One is a single mode and another is a multi-mode. In a single mode, it can carry single beam of light distance up to 10 kilometers, diameter of cable 7 to 11 microns, most commonly 9 microns. As shown in the picture, single mode fiber, we have only one cabling inside and core. In a multi-mode optical cable, it can carry multiple beams of light simultaneously, distance up to 500 meters based on the bandwidth, 3 types, OM1, OM2 and laser optimizes OM3. Model depression signal tends to depress and collide. Components of SAN cabling connectors. There are 3 types of SAN cabling connector: SC connector, LC connector, and ST connector. ST connectors are straight, LC connectors are duplex, SC connectors are standard connectors. Components of SAN using interconnecting devices. Basis of SAN, communication bandwidth connect nodes in a loop or a star topology. Switches don't share bandwidth. Direct path for direct transfer between the ports or either FC hub or a FC switch. Directors larger than switches, high port count the fault tolerance capability. Components of SAN storage array. Components of SAN storage array. It provides the storage consolidation and centralization features of an array, highly available and redundancy, performance, business continuity, multiple host continuity. Components of SAN management software. A suite of tools used in SAN to manage the interface between the host. Interconnect devices and storage arrays provide integrated management of SAN environment. It is a web-based GUI or CLI. Key management functions are like this: mapping of storage devices, switches and servers, monitoring and generating alerts to discover devices, logical partition of SAN called zoning, management of typical SAN components such as HPAs, storage components, and interconnected devices. SAN interconnective option channels, FC channels, fiber channel arbitrated loop, FCAL, devices must arbitrate to gain the control. Devices are connected via hubs support to 127 devices. FCAL transmission architecture is like this. There are 4 nodes connected with HPA, array port. Transmission and receivers are connected to each hub. Through that, it acts as a server as well as a client. SAN connectivity options, FC, SW. Fabric Connect, dedicated bandwidth between devices. It supports up to 15 millions of devices. It supports up to 15 millions of devices, higher availability than hubs. Port types. Different hosts are connected to one storage array. In turn, the final storage array which is connected to switch and the NL port of the type library. Inter-switch links. ISL connects 2 or more FC switches to each other using E ports. ISL are used to transfer host to storage data as well as fabric management traffic from one switch to another. ISL is also one of the scaling mechanism in SAN connectivity. There is a multi-mode fiber as well as a single mode fiber switch. FC architecture is like this. The FC uses channel technology, provides high performance with low protocol overheads. FC is SASI3 or FC network of sustained transmission bandwidth over a long distance. There are 3 FCs, FC0, FC1, FC2, FC3 and FC4, where FC3 is of general purpose which has not been created yet. FC0 works under a physical layer where its relevant features are media, cables and connectors. FC1 enable dedicated 8 billions to 10 billion encoding, bits and frame synchronization, FC2 routing flow control, frame structure ports, FC addressing, buffer and credits. FC3 is a common service which has not been implemented yet. FC4 is a mapping interface, mapping upper layer protocol FC transmission. Okay, thank you for listening to my session. I'll be continuing with the next session 2 of module 2. Please watch that also for the continuity of module 2. Thank you.